Do you ever struggle cooking food at home all alone with no one to help you? Well, luckily there's another way. Introducing Satan's Little Helper. Satan's Little Helper is perfect for all those times you need an extra set of hands around the house. Wow, just take a look at how Satan's Little Helper cut those potatoes. Amazing! Satan's Little Helper is completely autonomous. Just give him something to do and walk away. It's that simple. Next time you have a recipe that calls for meat, turn on Satan's Little Helper, set him outside, and check back in a few hours. Nothing tastes better than the mystery meat that Satan's Little Helper brings back at the end of the day. You'll never have to go to the store for meat again. Sometimes if you catch him in the right mood, he can even do non-violent things like sautéing onions, or cooking burgers, or toasting buns, or making potato wedges. Just make sure to compliment him on his cooking afterwards. He doesn't really deal with criticism very well. Unfortunately, this product is too unsafe to sell, so instead I'm just going to show you a build montage of us bringing Satan's Little Helper to life.
Tilting.
Alright, so I may or may not own like a half a dozen more of these Mr. Potato Head skeletons. So you guys should let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for future projects that I can put them to use for. Also, remember to please like and subscribe if you like this type of video and you want us to make more of these in the future. This is the Antichrist.